Hello once again from Vaughan Chrysler's pre-owned department, and on this sunny with a little bit of cloud, gorgeous Sunday afternoon, we wanted to do a quick walk around video on a favorite unit of ours, and it's this 2020 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon two-door soft top. Let's see what we've got. This is a recent addition to our pre-owned department. It's a lease return, and it has very low kilometers, and walking around it already, it's an exceptionally great condition. It hasn't been detailed yet, but even so, as a 2020, as is, it's very, very clean. So we figured we'd show it to you. We've already cracked it all open. Open up the back, open up the soft top roof so you can see all the options right away, because otherwise this video is going to be like 20 minutes long. Like I said, it's in excellent condition. Of course, one of your first Easter eggs right there is the data plate. Not the biggest amount of space in the back here, but if you do drop down the back seat there, fair bit of space. All-weather speaker for sound. And of course, since it's the soft top, it's the plastic bendy rear cover. Oh, and before I forget, the maximum payload of this unit is about 1,350 pounds. And if you equip it with a trailer hitch, you can go up to 3,500 pounds. Which is pretty cool. I didn't think they could tow that much. Again, look at it in classic profile there. This is a really cute unit. And yes, there is a little bit of room in the back there for a couple of people. Smaller children and, dogs, pets, stuff like that. Or people that, are very bendy. Or otherwise don't mind being scrunched in for a little bit. There's, of course, the driver's area and our door controls, power windows, power door locks, and rear view mirrors are heated. Since it is a Rubicon, this is a base unit. It doesn't have the leather interior, but it does have the sort of honeycomb geometric design. Their inserts, the Rubicon embossing on the seats. And like all Rubicons of this time, all Jeeps of this kind, the seats are manually adjustable, which is fine by me. Once I set a seat to the position I want, I'm not going to move it anyways. And just so you can see, of course, we have our center touchscreen. Already we have the off-road pages open. Of course, our extra bonuses, the pitch and roll. Let's look down here first. Of course, this does come with the front and rear disconnect sway bar. And of course, another Easter egg. The classic Willys Jeep from World War II in profile. And buttons and knobs for your heating and air conditioning. Does this have a backup camera? Of course it does. It also has dynamic guides. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. And, of course, built-in navigation. Very easy to use. And, of course, smartphone connectivity, Android CarPlay, ready to go. So radio, AM, FM, Sirius, which we've just reflashed to give you 3 months free. See if you're interested in getting a subscription. Start, stop. Of course, the iconic Rubicon red for the dash insert. Grab handle there for your passenger. And our gauge cluster, tachometer and speedometer. And of course, it's telling us right now that both the hood is open, because I don't want to hold the camera and try and open the hood at the same time. It's a balancing act I'm not very good at. Of course, your hands free, set your cruise. Of course, the center part of the gauge grouping here is adjustable. It gives you your settings, features. There's your disconnect. Of course, your fuel efficiency and whatnot. Let's get it to the other throwback. Stop, start. And there you go. Little space there also to store some loose change. Let's check the engine. Like I said, this vehicle has not been detailed yet, but it is very, very clean. Badging, vents on the hood, and I will hold the hood up. Of course, this is the legendary 3.6 liter V6 that's powering this Jeep. Like I said, it needs to be detailed, but as is, produces 285 horsepower, 260 pound-foot of torque. In this case, mated to a 8-speed automatic transmission, running nice and smooth as it should. So, if you like Wranglers, You want a two-door Wrangler. You want a two-door Wrangler Rubicon with the soft top in excellent condition. Oh, and of course, one thing that I forgot is even though it's a 2020, it only has 44,275 kilometers on it. So this low kilometer lease return Jeep Wrangler Rubicon two-door is available today from Vaughan Chrysler. Thanks for watching this.